Well, happy Thanksgiving from Adventures Over 55 here on West 57th Street in New York City. We're here for the annual Macy's Day Parade, which starts up on 77th Street, Park West, comes down to Columbus Circle, across Central Park South, and then heads down on 6th Avenue until you get to Macy's. Now, it's a little different this year, especially given the events, unfortunately, of yesterday and the overall climate. But this is a day that we are celebrating thanks for all the good things that we have. Something I'm working on, just expressing gratitude instead of thinking about, the things that drag me down. And one of the things I love is doing this show, especially in VR. So you're part of it. Get yourself a MetaQuest, an Apple Vision Pro, and be part of the event. You want to write us, adventuresover55@gmail. Go to our website, same name. And we're going to check out some of the floats. This year is going to be a little different, like I said, because everything we do now is, for the headset. You want to check out our YouTube channel. It's at VR360 New York. And you're going to see lots of great videos from around the world. Learned a lot about headsets. You definitely don't want to do any worse than a MetaQuest 3. Samsung's coming out with one. But, it's toward the dawning of a new era, as they say. So sit back, relax. You want to write us? Check us out on Facebook. The info will be at the end of the show. See you then. That was just beautiful, hearing the gospel on Thanksgiving Day here in New York City 2025. And boy, do we need to hear it and love each other more. If you want to write us, adventuresover55@gmail.com. Website's the same, adventuresover55.com.